Hello everyone, I'm Masud from Masud Structural Studio. In this part, we investigate a scale factor for seismic load. We calculate this factor by divided seismic spectrum load case and seismic static load case. We run this program in Visual Studio and we click on Connect Data, Run Analyze, and then we wait to run analysis. After that, when analysis completed, we click on Select Me button and choose seismic level. As you can see, all of the load case created in this panel, and a monitor of model we have a load case, and for any load case we have a story force. In other hand, all of the story force created we select seismic level, and then we select X direction seismic static load for design, and Y and the spectrum load case for X and Y direction. Now we select X seismic static load case for drift. After that, we click on Select button, and as you can see, this plugin calculate a scale factor, the ratio of spectrum and static seismic force.